Take us back to when you got hurt and describe how you got hurt.
Well, I work in a lab, and the floors are slippery from using paraffin within our lab, and I slipped just a little bit. I didn't fall on the floor, I caught myself, but when I did it, I knew that I tweaked my knee. I kept thinking it would get better, and it didn't. It just kept getting worse.
When did you realize that you needed a lawyer?
Well, my boss told me that I needed to file workers' comp. So when I did, I filed workers' comp, and when they contacted me, I guess they knew that, it really did happen because she saw it happen, and there was also a video. We video everything in the lab. And so the workers' comp immediately contacted me, and they offered me a settlement. And when I told the men in my family, I have a lot of very wise men in my family, and they said, "Oh, Jennifer, you're not, you just don't have the skills to navigate this type of a thing, so you really need to hire an attorney."
So how did you come to choose the Nomberg Law Firm to represent you?
Well, a good friend of mine, husband, works with attorneys. He's an engineer, and he actually is a witness for a lot of severe injury cases, and he called his friend with the Reichard Law Firm, and they recommended David Nomberg.
Explain what the process was like working with the Nomberg Law Firm. What did we do right?
It was great. Every time I called or every time I emailed, I got an email or a call immediately back. When I called, most of the time David answered himself, and it was just great. I always got the answers that I needed right away.
So if the lawyer who handled your case was right here in front of you, what would you say to him?
Thank you. Thank you for taking all the stress off of me and handling it for me. I really, really appreciate it.
Would you recommend the Nomberg Law Firm to your family and friends? If
Absolutely.
so, why is that?
Oh, I would absolutely recommend them. As a matter of fact, I've already recommended them to a couple of friends of mine. So I trust in him. He did a great job for me, and I would definitely recommend him.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.